Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a motion collage templates. This is the Canva Trends 2024. So you can explore the trends. You can go to canva.com and you can find our Explore 2024 trends. Expect pixels, positivity, popping, colors, real scene in 2024. Discover our picks for the next year trends and make your design in Canva. So the first one is motion collage. Click it and this is the motion collage. Save your perspective here. The motion collage trend text is cue from zine culture, handmade scrapbooks, photo collages to create intricate shifting vistas. This delicate dance of design will show up in video displays everywhere in 2024. So this is the motion collage. So you can pick the templates, one of the templates. Let's start with this one. Click it and make sure you are logged in into your Canva. And here we go. This is the faded photographic timeless treasures. You can create short quote Instagram posts in neon yellow, sky blue, orange motion collage trend. Here we go. So you can retext, even you can change the picture here, reposition the picture, reposition the assets, and so on. And also there are some like festival music poster that you can edit, and so on. So there are total 9 templates that you can try under motion collage. Also there is a graphics, photos, and motion. This is like animate, cut out magazine letters, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also press the button below. See you in the next video.